Hello everyone. In this video I am going to start new topic mensuration, and from that mensuration I have taken area of triangle. So student, in the first case is when we are given one side, you can say one side is base, one side and the corresponding height, and corresponding height is also known as altitude. When one side and corresponding height of the triangle are given, in that case the area of the triangle is 1 upon 2 into base into corresponding height. So first of all, let me see what is the meaning of corresponding height. So student, here three triangles are given. In this triangle, ABC is the triangle and AD is the altitude, or you can say height, corresponding height. Height corresponding to side BC, because this AD stands on BC. Height corresponding to side BC. So in this case, the area of the triangle is 1 upon 2, base is BC and height, or you can say altitude, that is AD. So altitude is always make 90-degree angle on the base. And in this case, the base is, in this case height is BE and this BE stands on AC. That is why AC is the base and corresponding height is BE. So in this case area is 1 upon 2, base is AC and its corresponding height is BE. And corresponding height starts from the opposite vertex. And in this case area is 1 upon 2, base is AB and the height corresponding to side AB is CF. So this is the corresponding base and height, or you can say base and corresponding height. This height is corresponding to this base, or you can say this base corresponding to this height. So this is the area of triangle. So from this formula, if we are given base, we know that now area of triangle is 1 upon 2 multiply base into height. So if we are finding base, area is already given. If we are finding base, in that case after solving this equation we will get a direct formula, that is base is equals to 2 multiply area upon height. 2 multiply area upon height, and make sure this height should be the corresponding height to this base. Or if you are finding height, that in that case also we will get a direct formula, that is 2 multiply area upon base, and again this height should be the corresponding height to this base. So we can apply direct formula to find base and height when area of the triangle is given. Now I have taken one question. In this question we are given a triangle ABC, and in this we are given two sides. One side is 8 cm and another side is 6 cm, and also height corresponding to 6 cm is 4 cm. It is given. Height corresponding to 6 is 4 cm, and the question is find the area and also find the height corresponding to the side 8 cm. So first of all we have one base and its corresponding height, that is why we can easily find the area of triangle. So area of triangle ABC in this case is 1 upon 2 base is AC and its corresponding height is given, that is, let it be E. Its corresponding height is BE. So 1 upon 2 base is 6 and corresponding height is 4 cm. We have 12 cm square. This is the area of this triangle. Now the second part is find the height of the triangle corresponding to side 8 cm. So student, the area of triangle will remain same because we are using same triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, area we have already found, that is 12 cm. Now in the second case 1 upon 2, in second case base is BC and its corresponding height is, let it be D, its corresponding height is AD, is equals to area of this same triangle. So 1 upon 2 base is now 8 cm and we are finding corresponding height is equals to 12. After solving this equation we will get 12 into 2 upon 8, 2 4s are and 3, that is 3 centimeter. So 3 centimeter is the length of this height corresponding to the side 8 centimeter. So hope you understood the very first formula for finding the area of triangle. Thank you.